Good day, everybody, it's H back with another episode of 12 Hub TV. Today we are unboxing things again, and I'm trying not to unbox so much, but there's actually some special packaging along with this box that I'm trying to take a look at. I ordered something from Mr. Porter. Never ordered from there, but they gave me the option of nice packaging and all this stuff, so I think I chose the nice packaging. I'm not sure because they sent me a brown box, but I think the inside is nice. Anyway, yeah, we're looking at another New Balance. So I'm becoming a New Balance guy. Only these specific models though. The Casablanca 327s, the new ones. Okay, the ones that people aren't really feeling, but I'm feeling them. And from what I'm hearing in hand, they look way better than the pictures. So I got the Casablanca 327s and the 237s. I got lucky on both. Well, not lucky on the first, sorry. I bought them resale. Paid a little too much because I'm looking at the prices right now on StockX, and they are a little cheaper than what I paid. But no regrets on my end. I would have paid over retail for them either way. So let's get right into these boxes. Let's go. Alright, so the Casablanca 327 was one of the models that made my I wish I could have picked it up list. You can check that link up here. It was the sneaker of the year stuff, and I saw these models randomly and I was like, oh, those are dope, and I missed out, so I just chilled and waited. I was looking at resale. They're over like $300 now. There's a green orange, I believe. I think that's it. Yeah, there was a green and orange one, and the 327s, which I really like. So I have the golden poppy 327s, which I've worn a bunch of times. I love those shoes. They're super cozy. That's basically it. But these I wanted to get because they look unique, sort of a very luxury looking type of shoe. But you know, it is what it is. Let's just get right into the box. All right, got the bear claw out. Let's cut in. Oh man. I keep saying I need to bring the overhead cam back. I probably will at some point. Alright, I think these are the 237. Yep, this is the 237s. So, oh, Mr. Porter. Alright, so let me just flash the box real quick. They put some black paper in there. Boom. That's a nice touch. Oh, look at you. Alright, got some paperwork there. Oh, nice little card. Look at this. This is sweet. Welcome to the world of Mr. Porter. I don't know who Mr. Porter is, but I guess it's some luxury boutique. Oh, this is sweet. Thank you for your first order. We hope you're delighted. Blah blah blah. Follow us, Mr. Porter, for daily. Oh wow, there's a lot of. The offer the same delivery suit you. So yeah, it's a luxury boutique. I have their app, I believe. Hong Kong, Australia. That's cool. I'm gonna take a look more at this stuff. Very nice little welcome package there to say, hey, we are in your corner. Thank you, Mr. Porter. Nice people. Oh, so they filled it up with this black paper as lining, and like that Italian boutique that I bought stuff from. Ooh, these are nice. 237 Idealist, and they put a little Mr. Porter wrapper on there. Very nice packaging. New Balance. I'm telling you, man. New Balance is the wave. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, Casablanca Tennis Club. As you can see right there on the New Balance label. It is a fashion line. I think it's out of Europe. And they got some dope stuff, actually. It's stuff I'd probably wear as I was perusing their site for this. It's along the lines of very flamboyant, like polo-esque type of stuff. I dig the color palettes that they use. They're out in Paris, I believe, so they use a lot of things I could say draw back to like Middle Eastern, like Moroccan type of looking stuff. So I'm intrigued by it. They are, well, Casablanca is in Morocco, so duh. So yeah, a lot of them are inspired by Moroccan culture, I guess. As I looked at some of the pieces on their website. They have camels on some things, and they flaunt the whole Moroccan thing. Like maybe the owner's Moroccan, I don't know. But either way, I have this shoe that they collabed with New Balance on, and it's pretty premium for what it's worth. There it is. 11. This is 11 and a half, this particular one. So again, I got the wrong size. I just realized that. Idealist on the front here, 237. So what I found, at least with the Golden Poppy 327s that I bought, they fit pretty big. So they're bigger and longer shoes. So I'm hoping that all the New Balance shoes are a little longer. They fit very true to size, and I was happy with that. So you could actually, at least with the 327, if you haven't opened yet, you can probably go down a half size. These I've never saw before. I've never seen before. Sorry, I've never seen these before. Oh, they are. Woo! Look at that. Nice. These I'm thinking I could squeeze into, to be honest with you. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at these. Oh God. The smells. So wide foot friendly right off the bat. Very nice embroidered stitching here. Very nice leather. Not too tumbled. On the white leather part. Very soft New Balance here. Suede. For the lace loops. And this Casablanca logoed type of pattern all over it. Now people again aren't liking these too much. I don't know why. This is the 327 one, and it comes with an extra pair of laces with gold tips. Ooh, gold tips. Come on people, let's go with the gold tips all the way around. The green laces also got gold tips. Come on, bling bling. Come on, bling bling with that gold tip action. The tongue is very unique. It's got like flowers or whatever growing up the side there with the Casablanca logo up top. These are fire. These are fire. I know I could squeeze into these. They already, you know, I already feel that this thing is right up my alley. Very, 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 very minimal traction, but dope. Like most of these high fashion quote unquote shoes have that type of traction, like just simple. Sometimes it's a herringbone or a wavy type of thing like that. It's just, it doesn't, you're not going to be running track in these or playing basketball in them. So, you know what? Just wear it like it is. So, yeah. This one, the 237, I caught on when they dropped them. I wasn't planning on buying these, but I was like, I want to do the unboxing. I want to show off this shoe. Let's do it. So, that's the 237. I'm put that off to the side. I'm going to try them on. If they fit well, I'm going to rock. All right. Here we go. This is what I've been waiting for. I had my eye on this. I missed every drop. I tried to get on New Balance. I tried to get it elsewhere. Nothing happened. So back to the opening. Let's go. The long and the short of this one is that I had to get it on, I believe, Goat. I ordered these off of. Can't remember what I paid. I'll put the details right here. But these are fire. Same box, pretty much. Casablanca Tennis Club, Idealiste. Pretty much the same shape and look of a box. And ooh, I mean, come on. Pretty much the same damn shoe. No regrets here though. I love the 237 model. 327, I'm sorry, 327 model. I love the 327 model. Just immaculate. It's a little more pronounced with the styling here. Now, like again, these are high fashion type of shoes. You're gonna wear these and people are gonna turn their head and be like, "Ooh, what are you wearing, boss?" And you'll be like, "These are my Casablancas." But these things are crazy, dog. Look, gold New Balance on the inside part here. That's dope. embossed right in there. Look at that. Shine, bling, bling. Gold tips again on the shoelaces. You know, they're not playing around here. They put a lot of effort into that. Only comes with one set of laces from what I could see. Same materials pretty much. This leather's pretty good. Everything on the shoe is great. And it's a decent price, you know. Tongue is pretty much the same on both shoes. Whew. Man, I cannot wait to wear these. Definitely put on my gram. And the styling of the 327 again has been one of my favorites. The way they look, you know. You reference back to my Golden Poppy video. I got these in a size 12, right? I'll make sure. Yeah, I got these in a 12. But if you reference back to my Golden Poppy 327 video, I complimented the styling of this shoe. Just because when New Balance puts out new stuff or things, they tend to stick with their traditional models, like the looks and styling of the traditional models, and they don't stray away from that too much dad shoe looking type of thing. These kind of go more into the running shoe aesthetic and the casual like Cortez type of look and all that, which Nike and Reebok and Adidas kind of have, you know, cornered the market on. And I've never seen really New Balances that, and I'm not a New Balance guy, so correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, that fit this aesthetic well. So these 237s and 327s seem to be the shoe that they're trying to market towards that now in 2021. And I am with them all the way. So they've been dropping tons of colorways of the 327, and I'm with them. They're cozy. They're very cozy. Like I said, I'm wearing the 327 Golden Poppy a lot, and that shoe has been really good to me. And these, I hope, will be really good to me. I think I might bring them out this weekend if the weather's nice. We're gonna go walking around, check out the cherry blossoms in the city. But that's that. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm gonna rate these, and this is just me being me, a big 8 out of 10 overall. And that's mainly because I like the silhouettes, the more basic one obviously, and this bad boy. If you look, they're not really, so move back a little bit. The 327 just has more of a tip, like a on it, so if you can line them up, you can kind of see that they're pretty close. So I think I could fit these, and width wise, they're both wide foot friendly, very wide foot friendly. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing. Check my IG for the fit pics when they come. But yeah, tell me what you think of these. Gotta go this way? Yeah, this way. Oh yeah, tell me what you think of these New Balance 327 and 237 Casablanca tennis clubs, and get at me. Peace.